What precautions should I take before resetting a phone without losing data?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial topic: how to reset your phone without losing data. It's not uncommon to find ourselves in a situation where we need to reset our phone, but fear losing all the precious data we have stored on it. So, let's dive right in.
Why do we need to reset our phones?
Before we proceed, let's quickly touch upon why you might need to reset your phone. There could be several reasons: performance issues, selling the device, or troubleshooting a problem. However, the critical factor here is that the reset process will wipe your phone clean. Hence, we need to take some precautions to safeguard our data.
What kind of data could I lose?
Primarily, resetting your phone can result in losing your photos, videos, contacts, apps, settings, and other personal data. It's like a new phone straight from the factory. Therefore, it's paramount that we back up all this data before proceeding with the reset.
How do I back up my data?
Backups are lifesavers. Whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone, both have built-in tools for backing up your data. For Android, head over to your settings, find the Backup and Reset section, and enable it. Make sure your Google account is linked and synced. For iPhone users, you can use iCloud. Go to Settings, tap on your name, then iCloud, and finally the iCloud Backup. Make sure it's turned on. For your photos and videos, consider using a cloud service like Google Photos, which provides free storage for your memories.
How do I reset my phone safely?
Once you've backed up all of your data, you're now ready to reset your phone. The process is quite straightforward. For Android, go to Settings to System to Advanced to Reset options. Choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and follow the prompts. For iPhone, go to Settings to General to reset to erase all content and settings. Follow the instructions provided. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to reset your phone without losing data. It's always crucial to ensure your data's safety, and with this guide, you should have everything you need. Remember, a few minutes spent backing up can save you from hours of frustration later. We hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.